Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your HeyGen subscription in 2026. So if you want to stop monthly billing, switch plans, or just take a break from HeyGen, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, log into your HeyGen account on desktop. So cancellation is usually done from the main dashboard, not inside a video project. Next, click your name or profile icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. This is where all account controls are located. So inside Settings, click Subscription or Plan and Billing. This section controls your payment, plan, and active subscription status. Now look for the small arrow or upgrade menu on the right side, then click Cancel Plan. This is the main step to stop your subscription. So HeyGen may ask you a few questions before canceling. Just continue through them and confirm cancellation. Next, check your subscription status again. Your plan should now show it will end at the end of the billing cycle. So make sure you check your email for a cancellation confirmation. This is important to verify the subscription is stopped. Now if you subscribe through the App Store or Google Play, you won't cancel inside HeyGen. You have to cancel from your phone settings instead. Finally, if you can't find the cancel option, contact HeyGen support. They can manually help stop billing from your account. And that's how to cancel your HeyGen subscription in 2026. Once you follow these steps, your billing will stop at the end of your cycle. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.